In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send your resume using Gmail effectively and professionally. Sending your resume via email may seem straightforward, but there are a few key elements to ensure your message comes across clearly and professionally. So grab your digital resume copy and let's get started. First off, you need a professional resume formatted as either a PDF or a docx file. PDFs are often preferred because they maintain the document's formatting across different devices and systems. However, docx is commonly accepted too. Next up, you'll need access to a Gmail account, so make sure you have those login details handy. Also, ensure you have the correct email address of the person you're sending your resume to, whether it's a recruiter, an employer, or the HR department. Double check their email address to avoid any errors that could lead to your resume being overlooked or sent to the wrong recipient. Once you've gathered all the essentials, open Gmail and look for the Compose button, usually near the top left corner of your screen. Clicking this will open a new email draft where you can start crafting your message. In the To field, input the recipient's email address. It's crucial to get this part right so that your application reaches the intended recipient directly. Following that, you'll want to add a thoughtful subject line. A good tip is to include something clear and professional, such as job application, your name. This immediately tells the recipient who you are and what the email is regarding. A well-crafted subject line can make a positive first impression, so it's worth taking a moment to consider this step. Now it's time to write a short, concise message in the body of your email. Aim to be polite and to the point, perhaps a sentence or two briefly introducing yourself and your interest in the position, and mentioning that you are attaching your resume for consideration. Remember, this is your chance to make a good impression, even in a few words. Once you've added your message, you'll need to attach your resume. Look for the paperclip icon, which is typically used to attach files in Gmail. Clicking this icon will allow you to browse your computer for your resume file. Select your PDF or docx file and upload it by choosing Open or a similar option. Ensure the file uploads completely before moving on. Finally, give your email one last look through to catch any typos or missing information. Once you're satisfied everything is in order, click the Send button. And there you have it. Your resume is now on its way to making the first impression in your job search adventure. So, there you go. Sending your resume via Gmail doesn't need to be daunting. With these steps in mind, you can ensure you come across as organized and professional with your email communications. Thanks for watching, and good luck.